love conquers all, when in reality, compatibility and effort matter more than chemistry. Hindi totoo yun na love conquers all. Ayoko magtiis. Ayoko. Hindi totoo yun. Kaya yung mga pinapanood ko minsan sa TikTok na give up nung girl yung dream niya to get married, ang daming challenges na pinagdaanan, tapos nagloko, tapos yung mga anak, naiwan sa kanya, nasasad ako. Kasi eto yung mga exact women na naniniwala dun sa fairy tale na love conquers all. Especially in 2025, we have the choice na, meron nga ako pinapanood sa TikTok, eh, sabi nung girl, make it your life goal to make your own money. A man can leave you, a man can cheat on you, and a man can have an accident. So ano gagawin mo? If naniniwala ka sa love conquers all. So different topic yon. So hindi, love can't conquer everything. Bills are bills. Love is love. My self-identity is my self-identity. Your self-identity is your self-identity. Minsan narinig ko ng mga kwento na sa sobrang in love, pati yung mga passwords ng phone, social media, alam. That's not love. That's controlling each other. I don't believe in that and I never want to experience that. Alam ko iba-iba tayo ng love language, but when we encounter things like this, priority din natin dapat mag-self-educate na ano ba yung manipulation, ano ba yung gaslighting, para hindi tayo nabibiktima ng mga ganon. Because some people will use that against us.